Hello everyone, I'll be showing you how I made cup caging for this beautiful jumpsuit. Welcome to my channel. I'll be showing you how I achieved a cup caging for my jumpsuit. I used a boning of 1/4 inch. It's a small boning, not the normal size boning of 0.5, the one that is smaller than 0.5. That's what I use because it's flexible and you'll be able to bend it well when caging your cup. Basically what I'm going to do is that I'll just roll a line. I'll first make my borders. The first thing you have to do in bust caging is first make your borders, and don't sew too close to here because you know you're going to stay for sewing allowance to attach to your clothes. So you leave like 1 inch or half an inch is enough. There'll be a boning here at the midpoint. There'll be another boning here. There'll be another boning here. And there'll be one boning that will pass through this bust point. There'll also be another boning that will pass through this bust point. So you can see how it is. Here too, I'll go ahead and mark the borders. So I'll go ahead to use the marker to highlight the lines. So the borders first. Then the center line. This line here. This line here. Then one that goes you can see this is the other one that I made. You can see how the inside is. See the outside. I've not trimmed out the details. You can see how it's standing. You can see how curvy it is. You can see how it will accommodate the bust very well. It's actually very easy. Once you have made the borders, as you make these borders first, you make this border, then you start inserting your boning. You insert here, you insert here, you insert here, you insert here. You can see the way it's looking now, but you know it looks is this. You'll be like, with this thing form, don't worry, it is going to look like this. Just trust the process and follow it. I first make the borders. When I make the borders, I only sew around the edges. I not sew the inner part. So then I'll be inserting it inside like this. Inside like this. So watch me as I do it. So you have to press it so it can form the shape. So it can be firm. You see how firm it is. You take the other one. Let me make this one. Insert it here. Put it down. You cut. And see how firm it is. It's already coming up. You take the side. Insert it. You can see it's already taking shape. Then the last one, I'll insert it here. I guess this is too long. Just try and cut it a bit. Just a bit. You just have to make everything fit. You can see it is going to accommodate your breast. But one thing about bust caging is that ensure that your, how will I say, you get your pattern correctly, like you actually cut it correctly, because most people, the reason why they don't get the bust caging is either their pattern or something is having issue. So if your pattern or your cutting already is having issue, there's no way you can get bust caging. Well, once your pattern is good and you follow the lines of your pattern, I do it as the way I did mine, you're going to get it. It is going to fit, the bust is going to sit right properly inside. It's going to sit properly inside. Like, I'm not even sewn it though. See how firm it's looking. So this place I'm not gonna need to trim the stuff, so I'm going to go ahead to sew this also. So I'm actually done caging it. Like you can see how it is. I'm done caging my cups. I'm done caging the cup. You can see how it's formed, how curved and formed it is. So I'm done caging my cup, so I'll turn it to the other side to add my wording on it. You can use as many, like multiple layers of wording as you want. You can also get fiber, use fiber for it, but I'll just be using wording. So this is my hemming gum. I'll place my hemming gum on it. So I'm gonna add to add wording. I only added a layer of wording to it, so I'll be turning it inside like this. The two cups are ready. I used a lining, put wording inside my boning casing to do this part. So this is my main. So this bustier that I did is not my main. This is my main fabric. So I'll be placing my main fabric on it. I'll be placing my main fabric on it. Then I'll stitch around it, or better still, you can use an hemming gum to glue it inside. But I'll be stitching around it. Then after that, I'll be using my lining. I'll trim the inside. This is my line, so I'll be using it to turn it. So this is the cup. This is my main fabric, and this is the lining. You see? Lining, cup, main fabric. So main fabric, cup, and lining. So that's all about my cup. So I'll go ahead and stitch it and turn it. Now that I've attached the cup to the main fabric, this is the way it's looking. Now I'll be joining it to the material. This is how my cup actually looks like after attaching it to the fabric. So I went ahead to attach the hand and turned it with the lining. So after turning it to the lining, this is how my cup came out to be. See how fine and neat it is. Without touching it, you won't even know it is cup caging. My clients can literally wear this top without wearing a bra inside her outfits. It's so nice, neat, firm and durable. Thank you for watching my video to the end. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.